हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तेतलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ टॉप 25 वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स which will be very helpful for you to enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is honor. It means सम्मान. The second word is conservative. It means रूढ़िवादी. The third word is potter. It means कुम्हार. The fourth word is termite. It means दिमक. The fifth word is terrific. It means कमाल का. The sixth word is waver. It means डगमगाना. The seventh word is prophecy. It means भविष्यवाणी. The eighth word is president. It means पिछला उदाहरण. The ninth word is negligent. It means लापरवाह. The 10th word is pick. It means झांकना. The 11th word is memorable. It means स्मरणीय. The 12th word is moral. It means हौसला. The 13th word is immigrant. It means अप्रवासी. The 14th word is cemetery. It means कब्रिस्तान. The 15th word is prompt. It means तत्काल. The 16th word is implement. It means अमल में लाना. The 17th word is include. It means शामिल करना. The 18th word is weak. It means कमजोर. The 19th word is transparent. It means पारदर्शी. The 20th word is minority. It means अल्पसंख्यक. The 21st word is spiritual. It means आध्यात्मिक. The 22nd word is failure. It means असफलता. The 23rd word is darkness. It means अंधेरा. The 24th word is artificial. It means कृत्रिम. The 25th and last word is ancestor. It means पूर्वज. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.